Okay, let's take a look at a few of the other things that you can do with your Hovercam. One of the things that you can do is annotate items. Now, you could be drawing on this since it's on your computer with your e-beam or your smartboard pens, because this is not having to switch over to camera mode, it's on your computer. So you could draw on this with those pens, but you'll notice this little annotate button, and you can bring up all of your annotation tools here. So for example, I could get this squiggly line and I can draw squiggly lines. Notice that I can change colors here and line width if I want, and also set the transparency. So if I wanted to have something such as a highlighter, maybe I had something written and I wanted to highlight that item. Let's do a little rotation here, I could come in here and change the transparency a little bit and click OK, and then maybe pick a yellow like a highlighter and a super fat line and highlight over an item. So that's kind of cool. If I don't want any of these annotations, I can just click on the trash. Notice I have all kinds of other things that I can draw on here too. And anytime I need to change my color that I'm working with, or that thickness, or that transparency, and just work here. There's a nice little arrow. But let's say I don't want to erase everything, I just want to erase one thing. I click on the eraser and click on the item that I want to erase, and I can erase. I can also change the thickness here of the eraser to make it a little bit fatter and erase just parts of things. So play around with the tools. You'll notice there's a paint bucket tool which would fill in a whole area, your text tool, and some, you can change your font. So those are the annotation tools.